why we keep coming back to Prosper Media is because they know us and they know what we want, and they know how to shoot and edit and produce video product that tells our story and tells our client's story. That's very valuable to us, and they know how to do this with an economical time frame, which is important to us too. And so working with us that closely, and our clients, of course, we're very picky about who we select to work with our clients, and everything's done very confidentially. We end up with video clips that tell a story about our client, and it's been very successful for us. You get a much more complete, well-rounded picture. A picture's worth 1,000 words and a video's worth at least 1,000,000.